How to add music to a photo in CapCut and save it as a video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add to a photo using CapCut. It's a great way to turn a single image into a short video with background music. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the CapCut app and start a new project. After that, import the photo that you want to use by tapping on it and it will appear on your timeline. And here, once you have added the photo, just tap on Add Audio just below the image in the timeline. Now here, you can simply select the sound to browse your audio option. And here, if you want to add the audio files from your file, you can do it, but for this video I'm gonna simply import the audio files through online. So here I'm gonna simply add the audio files, and here once I have added on my timeline, as you will notice that your photo is probably shorter than the length of your song. So now to fix that, you can just tap on the image in the timeline and then hold and drag its edge to extend it until it matches the length of music, or you can just cut out the music. Now here just make sure that the image reaches the end of the audio track so everything is perfectly synced. And once you have done that, just like that, you are done. You have successfully added music to a photo and extended it to fit your track in CapCut. Now you can just export it and save the video. And that's all there is to it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.